What's up, guys? So for today's video, this will be an easy one. I will be showing you how to change your shield in Monopoly Go. So once you go to your game on your app, as you can see on the top right corner of my screen, I have the display of my different shields. But unfortunately, since I'm still at the start of the game, I haven't acquired different types of shields yet, as you can see here. But as soon as you progress through the game, they shall reward you with different types of shields with different functions and benefits. So in order to change your shield in Monopoly go to the top right corner of your screen. You can see that 3 vertical lines. Go to that, and then under my showroom, you can see tokens, and then on the bottom part, please change it to shield, and then click on your shield, and then as you can see here, it shows equipped. That means that's the shield that you're using currently. But once you want to change that, you can, for example, I have another shield here, and here I can just click that, and then this button will be green, and then you can click that, equip, and then that shall change your shield throughout the game. That's it. Thank you for watching.